got a fast car, and I wanna take it to anywhere. Maybe we can make a deal. Maybe together we can get somewhere. Any place is better. Starting from zero, got nothing to lose. Maybe we'll make something. Me and myself, I got nothing to prove.
Maddie's got the chicken fried steak going on right there, and we're out.
See, my old man's got a problem. Live in the bottle, that's the way it is. Said his body's too old for working. His body's too young to look like his. Mama went off and left him. She wanted more from life than he could give. I said, somebody's gotta take care of him. I quit school and that's what I did. You got a fast car, and I got a plan to get us out of here. Been working at the convenience store. Managed to save just a little bit of money. Won't have to drive too far, just across the border and into the city. And you and I can both get jobs, finally see what it means to be living. You got a fast car, so fast enough so we can fly away. Still gotta make a decision. Leave tonight or live and die this way. And I remember when we were driving in your car. Speed so fast, I felt like I was drunk. City lights lay out before us, and your arm felt nice right around my shoulder. And I had a feeling that I belonged. I had a feeling I could be someone, be someone, be someone.
Mint chocolate chip. What did y'all get?
You got a fast car. We go cruising, entertain ourselves. Still ain't got a job, so I work in the market as a checkout girl. I know things will get better. You'll find work and I'll get promoted, and we'll move out in the shelter. Buy a bigger house, live in the suburbs.
Well, this is a pretty cool place here.
And I remember when we were driving in your car. Speed so fast, I feel like I was drunk. City lights lay out before us, and your arm felt nice right around my shoulder. And I had a feeling that I belonged. I had a feeling I could be someone, be someone, be someone.
Pretty cool. There's two eating chairs. Got a sink. Got some dishwasher, microwave, refrigerator.
You got a fast car.
Cool. Nice.
I got a job that pays all our bills. You stay out drinking late at the bar. See more of your friends than you do your kids. I always hope for better. Thought maybe together you and me'd find it. I got no plans, I ain't going nowhere. Take your fast car and keep on driving.
Cool.
And I remember when we were driving in your car. Speed so fast, I felt like I was drunk. City lights lay out before us, and your arm felt nice right around my shoulder. And I had a feeling that I belonged. I had a feeling I could be someone, be someone, be someone. You got a fast car, is it fast enough so we can fly away? Still gotta make a decision. Leave tonight or live and die this way.